Alright, so here we're adding our coconut milk. It's usually full fat or coconut cream, just like a heavy version. We're going to add our coconut sugar or palm sugar, about 250 grams or about 1 cup, though it's very flexible on how sweet you like it. Here I'm adding 1 cup of tamarind concentrate, and then we're going to turn on the heat. The stovetop should be about medium-high. We're going to start with medium first, so that the coconut milk warms up and melts the sugar and the tamarind concentrate. The coconut sugar here is a little chunky and cold, so it's going to take a while for it to be a smooth stir. You can see here it's slightly warming up and easier to stir. Maybe a whisk probably would have been better for this beginning of stirring and blending the mix. Oh, I forgot salt. About a tablespoon of salt. If you ever add any sugar to any desserts, usually just a touch of salt enhances the flavor. You can see it's turning just slightly brown. It's melted. The sugar has melted at this point. We're going to keep stirring until it starts pretty much reducing. It's going to start bubbling from the simmering, and we're going to turn on low, and this is the point where you just kind of wait. It's going to be about 20-25 minutes on low while you watch it bubble and reduce and evaporate till it's about a pretty thick jam feel. So about 20-25 minutes total until it gets to this point.